So I'm wondering if you could just speak generally first about what are the qualities of an application that is most likely to get merit scholarships?
Yeah. So for merit-based scholarships, so kind of first thing is students are eligible for merit-based scholarships simply by submitting their application. There's nothing additional that needs to be submitted other than the application. In order for a student to put themselves in the best position for a scholarship, numbers become a little bit more important. So being able to reach or exceed a median in either GPA or LSAT can be really, really beneficial in terms of scholarship. So that's kind of the first thing. It is a holistic approach. The whole application is being considered for scholarship purposes, but I do think that GPA and LSAT takes on a little bit more importance there.
Yeah, that's the same thing I'm always telling folks. And of course, the GPA is fairly fixed by this point, most likely. So that LSAT score, it's worth retaking. Just a couple points more can make a huge difference.
Exactly. I mean, the difference in 3, 4, 5 points on the LSAT can be a significant monetary difference.
Yeah. So I typically tell folks that it's worth applying a little bit later if they can get that LSAT up a couple more points, just because of that difference in what it can mean for scholarships or getting into a better ranked law school.
Absolutely. I think that's great advice. And I think, to an extent, I would say it is a little bit school specific in that some schools have a little bit earlier deadlines and it's a little bit score specific too. So I encourage students to, again, I know I'm just going to leave myself to getting more calls here, but I would encourage students to call the law school and talk to the admissions representatives about where they stand and whether it makes sense to apply now or to wait till the student gets a new score. And the other thing that a lot of times students don't realize is that for us at least, the application isn't necessarily done when it's submitted. There's always that ability to supplement the application. We have students every year who receive a decision, supplement the application with a new score, and then get a different decision, or receive a scholarship, supplement the application with a new LSAT score, and maybe that scholarship amount changes. And so the application isn't done unless the student wants it to necessarily be done.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.